Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the day 476 Short War Summary. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and support us on Patreon, the link in the description below. In our first clip here, we can see Ukrainian forces shooting down a Shahed 136 that is targeting their S-300 or S-400 surface-to-air missile systems. Ukrainian forces are attempting to shoot them down with small arms, mostly AKs, which proves to be an incredibly difficult challenge, as AK bullets are quite small, and the Shahed, which itself is the target, is also quite small as well. Making contact with the drone is very difficult. We can see the drone flying on in, and someone's about to pull off a lucky shot that sends it plummeting straight into the ground past its target. Very lucky for the Ukrainians involved is if that drone had hit that S-300 or S-400 missile launcher, it would have caused some pretty significant damage. In our next clip, we can see the 3rd Brigade once again continuing to take and clear trenches in the Bakhmut area. We're seeing them clear some Russian trenches right here on the southern flank again. We now see him hopping back down into the trench and making sure to fire off a couple of shots just for safety reasons. We now see them doing that to the other side as well. You know, just making sure it's clear and all, you know. Just making sure it's safe. We see him lobbing another nade in there. And it appears that that one was quite good. We can now see that they've cleared that bunker. And they're now moving on to the next one. In this clip, we can see a Ukrainian drone flying into a BMP. It appears to have been successful. As you can tell, quite successful. In this last clip, we can also see a major factory in St. Petersburg ablaze, most likely from partisan activity. Thank you all once again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.